The final goal of the whole process of Western psychology is self-actualization. This means becoming the best that you can be. But this is still a vision that remains confined to the self and often is very detached from any larger, beyond individualistic purpose. In our tradition, we have a very different view, and we have, in this pursuit of Tazkiyah or purification of the self, it can lead up to a complete human being, al-Insān al-Kāmil. Self-transcendence is something very different from self-fulfillment. It is a framework in which you put in work to achieve purifying the nafs, awakening the qalb, aligning your aql, and realizing the full potential and perpetual connection of the ruh. So self-transcendence, what can bring a person to this Insān Kāmil, is also about fulfilling our role as Khalifa, meaning reflecting the attributes that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants from us in our character and in our action. So the goal of Islamic psychology is not simply to be healthy or the lack of symptoms in a worldly sense, but it is about achieving inner soundness and a spiritual perfection which is able to resonate across all dimensions of existence. This type of vision integrates our individual spiritual journey and communal responsibility, so avoiding the trap of becoming individualistic or self-referential. In our Advanced Diploma in Islamic Psychology, we will guide you through this transformative journey. We will integrate the theoretical framework, the historical insight, and the practical tools which are necessary to cultivate such a state within yourself or with clients if you work with them. If you're ready to embark on this journey, which is much beyond conventional self-help, apply now. Places are limited and the application link is in the description below.